You hear it everywhere these days, artificial intelligence, or AI for short. Sounds fancy, right? It's like the buzzword of the decade. But what is it really? In a nutshell, AI is about making computers think like us. It's about teaching machines to mimic human intelligence. We're talking about machines that can learn, solve problems, and even make decisions, all without us humans holding their hands every step of the way. Imagine a world where computers can adapt and improve on their own. Now, before you picture robots taking over the world, let's pump the brakes a bit. AI isn't about creating a sci-fi dystopia. AI today is more about specific tasks, like filtering spam emails or suggesting your next favorite song. It's about enhancing our daily lives in subtle but impactful ways. It's about using computers to do things that normally require human smarts. From recognizing faces in photos to predicting weather patterns, AI is everywhere. Think of it like this. Remember that friend who's a whiz at Sudoku? They see the patterns, make the connections, and boom, puzzle solved. AI is kind of like that, but instead of numbers, it crunches data. It processes vast amounts of information to find patterns and insights. Lots and lots of data. Imagine trying to read every book in a library. AI can do that in seconds. And just like your Sudoku-loving pal, AI has its strengths and weaknesses. It can be incredibly efficient at certain tasks, but can also make mistakes. It can be amazingly good at certain things, but it's not some magical solution to every problem under the sun. It's important to understand its limitations. So, let's dive in and get our hands dirty with what AI can and can't do. By understanding its capabilities and limitations, we can better harness its potential. AI is like that star athlete in high school, naturally gifted in certain areas, excelling with ease where others might struggle. Take image recognition, for example. It's one of AI's standout skills. Show an AI enough pictures of cats, and it'll spot a feline faster than you can say meow. It's almost like magic, but it's really just a lot of data and smart algorithms. The same goes for translating languages or predicting the weather. These are areas where AI shines brightly. AI eats data for breakfast, learns the patterns, and spits out answers with impressive accuracy. It's like having a superpower when it comes to handling vast amounts of information. But here's the thing. AI's talents are often narrow. It's not a jack of all trades. It's like that same athlete trying to write poetry. They might be a champ on the field, but their words might not win any literary awards. Their prowess doesn't necessarily translate to every domain. AI excels in specific areas where it's been trained on mountains of data, but throw it a curveball outside its comfort zone, and it might strike out. It's a reminder that while AI is powerful, it's not infallible. Nobody's perfect, and AI is no exception. One common stumble? Bias. This is a significant issue that can have far-reaching consequences if not addressed properly. See, AI learns from the data we feed it. If that data is skewed, say showing mostly pictures of white cats, the AI might struggle to recognize a black cat. This can lead to inaccurate results and a lack of diversity in AI's understanding. It's like teaching a kid about dogs using only pictures of chihuahuas. They might think a Great Dane is a horse. This analogy highlights how crucial it is to provide diverse and representative data for AI training. Another area for improvement is common sense. AI often lacks the intuitive understanding that humans naturally possess. We humans take it for granted, but AI struggles with the nuances of the real world. Simple tasks for us can be complex for AI. Tell an AI to take a break, and it might just shut down instead of grabbing a coffee like you and me. This shows the gap between human and AI understanding. We need to find ways to teach AI not just what to think, but how to think critically and adapt to unexpected situations. This involves developing algorithms that can handle ambiguity and learn from new experiences, much like humans do. Section 4. AI, the good, the bad, and the buggy. Now let's talk pros and cons. On the plus side, AI has the potential to make our lives easier and safer. Imagine self-driving cars that reduce accidents or AI doctors that diagnose diseases with incredible accuracy. AI can also automate repetitive tasks, freeing us humans up for more creative and meaningful work. But hold your horses, there are downsides too. One biggie is job displacement. As AI gets smarter, It's bound to replace certain jobs, especially those involving repetitive tasks. We need to be prepared for this shift and focus on training people for the jobs of the future. AI, making life easier, one algorithm at a time. Despite its quirks, AI is already making waves in our everyday lives. Think about those personalized recommendations you get on shopping websites or streaming services. That's AI at work, analyzing your past behavior to suggest things you might like. It's like having a personal shopper or a movie buff friend who knows your taste inside and out. AI is also revolutionizing healthcare. From detecting diseases earlier to developing new treatments, AI is becoming a powerful tool for doctors and researchers. And let's not forget about customer service. Chatbots powered by AI are popping up everywhere, answering questions and resolving issues 24/7. AI, watch out for these red flags. While AI can be incredibly useful, it's important to use it responsibly. One concern is privacy. AI relies on massive amounts of data, and we need to make sure that data is collected and used ethically. Imagine an AI system that knows your every move and uses that information against you. Not a pretty picture, right? Another issue is the potential for misuse. In the wrong hands, AI could be used to create deepfakes, spread misinformation, or even develop autonomous weapons. It's like giving a loaded gun to a toddler. We need to establish clear guidelines and regulations to prevent AI from becoming a threat. The future of AI. Hold on tight. So what's next for AI? Well, buckle up, because it's going to be a wild ride. As AI continues to learn and evolve, we can expect to see even more amazing applications in every aspect of our lives. From personalized education to smart cities that anticipate our needs, the possibilities are endless. But with great power comes great responsibility. We need to approach AI development with caution, ensuring that it benefits humanity as a whole. It's up to us to steer AI in the right direction and create a future where humans and machines work together for a better tomorrow. Here at Vennspot, that's what we do, working to help uncover the flaws and quirks of the AI.